Good morning, guys. It's been a while since I've done any vlogging, I suppose, in terms of actually personally talking to you. Well, it's Monday morning and I am by the showroom. As you can see, it's progressing slowly but surely. We've got all of our paneling on. Some of the plants are in. You can see some wood chipping and weed membrane and chicken wire, etc., all going that way. Wow, this is really hard to direct your hand to show you where everything is. We're still waiting for our Corton water feature, and I really need to reorganise the lighting in here. We've got someone coming in tomorrow to come and have a look at bits and pieces and see how it goes. We've got some mill board, which is exciting, and some plywood behind me, and basically the idea is that the plywood is going to go here and make a decking, and then the millboard's going to go on top, and the whole ply and decking and everything can come away. Yeah, so the showroom's progressing quite nicely. We're getting there with that. I know you guys have seen all the paneling and stuff before, and in the behind me, just in the corner, just up there, is like a load of timber for doing some of the framing, etc. So there's been. Oh, tea down. There's been a few changes and a few things progressing. We're going to Futurescape, so if you guys do Futurescape, etc., please feel free to come and say hello. Come see me in person. So doing Futurescape, that's at Excel. I think it's the 16th and 17th. Likely looking at doing LX. So LX is like the 3rd and 4th, and that's at Sandown. So likely going to do that. So we'll bring this. So I've got to hire a Sprinter van. All of this will be disassembled, brought down with us, and then reassembled. It's a hell of a job. That was the idea of it. It's going to be a showroom that doubles as, an expo space, basically. So we can do a bit of both here and a bit of there. I didn't really realise how many exhibitions there are on at the moment. It's really annoying. There's a landscape expo that's on, and overlaps LX, and it's in Birmingham, so. Being this will be my first ever expo I've ever done, I'd rather do the one that's closer to me. I kind of want to do LX a little bit more, just because it's more local to me, and I'm sure we will do pretty well in terms of actually meeting people, in the industry, etc. So that would be really good. But yeah, I'd like to do the landscape show next year, along with many others. Really, it's. I didn't realise just how big how many expos there are. There's quite a lot. I know that there's one that seems to travel around from like Ireland and Birmingham and all over the place. So it'd be cool to do that as well. But we'll see how these two pan out in November. It's expensive. It's really expensive to do expos. Obviously doing the show space is expensive, but it's an investment, isn't it, at the end of the day? And I love it. And I think as well, I think anyone coming here and anyone's more than welcome to come here and come and visit us anytime. But coming here, and actually being able to see the lights and see them in action, I think is quite important. And, it's something that you really need to do. Plus, it gives us a chance to actually play with effects and see how things work out. Anyhow, I will let you go, and I will stop you from seeing my bad hair today. Anyway, love to you all, and speak to you soon. Thanks.